Hi, I'm Nikita from Interview Mocha. Are you a small business? Are you encountering the problems like hiring the right people, building a brand, and so on? Who said starting a small business was easy? Things are never easy for a small business owners. So our today's topic is how small companies can benefit from pre-employment testing. So, what are the problems a small business encounter when it comes to hiring? For a business with relatively few employees, adding an HR person or team can seem difficult and sometimes unnecessary. Most of the time, the CEO or the owner is himself the hiring manager. Unlike large business which are stuck with policies, procedures and traditional solutions, small business are free to look less at these traditional procedures and build new methods. For small business to hire right people may require spending some extra time sorting through all those applications and then assessing candidate skills, interviewing them can consume extra time and when you have no or limited people to work. So the one-stop solution for small business for hiring the right people is using pre-employment testing software. Assessments are the vital part of determining candidates' knowledge. Pre employment testing software will help small companies who do not have the adequate screening resources to hire the right candidate. That too without any efforts and extra time. So let us see how. Small companies can reduce administrative time. There is lot of time, efforts, and hazels involved in screening resumes, scheduling interviews, organizing tests, etc. Whenever any screening process is to be undertaken, or while conducting this process with limited resources can be difficult. With pre employment testing software, these hazels disappear, saving time and money with pre employment testing, and moreover, the productivity increases. With pre employment testing, you can also eliminate the hiring errors. A bad hire can be very costly for a small business. Surely, you don't want a bad hire at a very initial phase of setting up a company. With pre employment testing, you can get instant results. The online assessment software gives you instant results, on the spot results after the candidate completes the exam. You will get raw scores of the candidate, percentile scores, strength and weakness in particular skills relevant to the job role, pass fail details, proctoring details, relevant candidate details, everything at a go and on the spot. These reports and analytics will give you actionable insight to help you with taking decisive action. And yes, not to forget, with pre employment skill testing, you can assess the technical knowledge of the candidate with ease. So now it is not necessary to you being an expert in technical skills. It is not possible for the hiring manager or the owner of the small company to assess or screen a candidate's technical knowledge, as they may not have technical expertise sometimes. Online assessment software solves this problem too. Now let me tell you how Interview Mocha can help you. Interview Mocha help small companies solve their problem of hiring the right candidate for the available positions. Interview Mocha's online pre-employment assessment software can be a major asset for the hiring manager of small companies. Interview Mocha's online pre-employment testing software offers ready-to-use tests. This test cover technical, communication, aptitude test. Name a test and Interview Mocha has it. You can also use the available test or create custom tests by adding your own questions. These tests can be assigned to various job applicants either in your own company, or you can allow the test taker to take the test at his convenience. There are various proctoring features to prevent cheating. Immediate reporting is available which will give you actionable insights to take decisions at the spot. You will surely recruit better and faster with pre employment assessment software. If you need any help, Interview Mocha is here to help you. Now you can simply leave your initial process of hiring up to Interview Mocha. If you like this video, do share it with your colleagues. We'll be coming up with more recruiting insights. To get in touch, you can contact us at support@interviewmocha.com.